A dog attack case that did not involve a bite results in a six-figure verdict. Hi, I'm Colin O'Dawe. I'm a trial attorney at Kalfus Nachman. I handle personal injury cases all across Virginia and North Carolina. Today, I want to talk to you about that case. My client was out walking her dog one evening when she turned around a corner and she saw a 6-year-old standing next to her father holding a large breed dog. This dog saw my client and her dog and lunged forward and broke free from the 6-year-old. It came at my client at a fast speed, jumped towards my client, knocking her to the ground. Instantly, my client suffered a devastating leg injury. Her ankle was fractured in 2 places. She went on to have permanent hardware put in her ankle. After she was done with her treatment, we presented a claim to the insurance company. But there was no bite in this case, so we had to determine why there was liability on behalf of the dog owner. In this city, there was a city ordinance requiring that all dogs, when out in public, had to be kept on a leash by a person of suitable age and discretion. So we did some discovery by taking depositions, getting people under oath, not only the dog owner, but other people in the neighborhood. What we learned about this dog is this dog had a history. It was not aggressive towards people in the past, but was extremely aggressive towards other dogs. Animal control had been called on this dog not once, not twice, but 3 times for this dog acting aggressive towards other dogs. It was our position that the owner of this dog should have known that his 6-year-old could not keep this dog on a leash if it saw other dogs. And that's exactly what happened that day. The insurance company did make an offer in that case, but my client and I decided to decline the offer and take the case all the way to verdict. The jury heard all the evidence in this case and came back with a verdict over twice what the insurance company's top offer was. So why am I telling you this? I'm telling you this because you need an experienced personal injury attorney who knows dog injury law, even if there isn't a bite. And you probably have questions about this. And these are questions that I answer every single day. So pick up the phone, call me, Colin O'Dawe, at 888-487-8546, and I thank you for watching.